let's take a look at how you can add a testimonial on your WordPress page or post with Beaver Builder. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to open new page. Okay, and here I'm going to select the page where I wish to add testimonial. So let's go with the sandbox page. Okay, then launch the Beaver Builder. That should open our page with Beaver Builder options. Okay, now here we wish to add testimonials, so click on this plus sign. That should open our Beaver Builder components. Okay, here you see testimonial block. You can drop on page, and here you can edit the existing one. Okay, let's save this. Okay, now we added one. We can also add another one. Okay, now you can save second one and save entire block. And here you can see you will have your multiple testimonials here. Okay, it will auto move from one to another. You can edit to continue to add more. Let's see. Okay, now save it. Okay, now click on done and publish. Once published, you will be redirected back to this page where you have this set of testimonials that are rotating. Okay, so they are part of slider. Okay, and the bigger the text, easier it will be for you to follow up. Considering this text is small, it moves a lot quicker. So you get the idea how to add testimonial in page in Beaver Builder.